golden yellow, golden yellow, golden yellow, golden yellow, golden yellow, beautiful color, white. The seeds look like Ballora. We're gonna see how that tastes. It is sweet. It is good. Yeah, wow. Last year is not that. I don't have that size of the fruit and even the taste. But this year we have big fruit and it tastes sweet. There is no sour, no nothing. I want to check the big difference between the first year and the second year. Second year, all the plant is different, all the fruit is different. And when you have a big size fruit, even they're gonna be different, way different price. When you have a big fruit, the taste is gonna be better. I notice bigger size fruit, that's more sweet and taste. I wanna see. Let's see the brix score. Yeah, not too much juice because I don't water them. I don't put too much water. Yeah, not too much juice. I'm gonna wait for it until the liquid is coming to the top. I'm gonna try to not using the .5. 17.5. It is sweet. It tastes so nice, so good. Golden yellow. 17.5. I like this fruit. I like the taste, the size. It's a good size fruit, good taste fruit.